Hello everyone, this is Vishakha from Affinity Education welcoming you to another exciting video. Studying abroad is your dream but you are worried about high tuition fees, then this video is just for you. Today we will discuss some incredible countries that offer free or highly affordable education for international students. So let's dive into planning your study abroad journey without the heavy expenses. First on the list is Germany. Public universities in Germany offer free education to international students. All you need to pay is nominal semester fee for essential services. With top-ranked universities with vibrant student life, Germany remains a favorite for students worldwide. Norway. Here you can study at public universities without any tuition fee, even as an international student. While living costs can be higher, the exceptional quality of education, cutting-edge research opportunities and breathtaking landscape make it worthwhile. Italy, known for its rich culture and heritage, Italy offers affordable education with many scholarships available for international students. Plus, the chance to study in the world's most historic cities is a bonus. Austria. Austria offers very low tuition fees for international students, sometimes €1,500 per year. With a rich culture heritage and a strong academic program, Austria is the ideal destination for those who are looking for a quality education. France. While France charges minimal tuition fees, especially at public universities, there are numerous scholarships available for Indian students. Programs in English are growing, and you also get a chance to experience the rich culture and lifestyle of France. If you are looking for affordable or free education abroad, these destinations are perfect. But remember to research thoroughly the living expenses and scholarship before applying. For expert guidance on study abroad journey and understanding education system with navigating the application process, you can contact Affinity Education today. We are here to provide you top-notch counseling, hassle-free processing and support you at every step of your study abroad journey. Start your study abroad dream today. And if you find this video helpful, like the video, share and subscribe to our channel. Good luck. See you in the next video.